Hello, good day, viewers. Here is question number 4 of WAEC 2023 Mathematics Examination, which is related to cycle theorem. The question reads, P, Q, R, and S are points on the cycle center K. KR bisect angle SRQ, and an angle KSP equal to 41 degrees, and angle SKR 80 degrees. We're asked to find angle RQP and angle SPQ. So we are looking for these two angles, this and this. There are a couple of things you should know about this question. Number one, you should know that this triangle right here is an isosceles triangle. Why? Because remember that RS is a chord, and whenever a chord subtends an angle to the center, the triangle formed is always an isosceles triangle, because this is a radius, and you know they have the same length, and opposite sides of an isosceles triangle are equal, right? And second thing you should know is that this line RK bisect this particular angle, which implies that this angle and this angle must be the same. This is second thing you should know. And another thing you should know about this question is that this is a quadrilateral and all its vertices are touching the cycle, which means that it is a cyclic quadrilateral. And the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral added up to 180 degrees, which means that if you should add this angle and this angle together, you're going to obtain 180 degrees. All right, let's get started. First of all, I would like to find these two angles. Remember, they must be the same because the triangle is an isosceles triangle. And you know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. Therefore, this particular angle and this particular angle added to 100 degrees because we have 80 already. But we are going to add all of them. So let me start by saying that this particular angle, which is KRS, angle KRS must be equal to this particular angle RSK. RSK. Why? Because of isosceles, right? Isosceles. And therefore, we can consider one of them. We can say that KRS plus RSK plus that other angle given to us, which is 80, the whole of this must be 180 degrees. And because these two are the same, we can choose one of them. We can say 2 RSK plus 80 degrees equal to 180 degrees. And if you take 80 to the other side, it becomes negative. We have 2 RSK equal to 100. Divide both sides by 2, you have RSK to be equal to 50 degrees. It means that this particular angle here, which is RSK, this particular angle right here is what? 50 degrees. And if it is 50, this other one must be 50. I remember they said that this particular line bisected this angle. Therefore, the two angles here must be the same. This other one must be 50 as well. So altogether, we have 100 degrees here, right? But angle QRK is equal to RSK, which is equal to 50. You can state the reason. Because we have a line that bisected it, right? RK is a straight line. Let me do it down here. Because RK bisects which angle? QRS. QRS. This is the reason. So A part, they say we should find RQP. We are looking for this angle. So what you should know is that if you take this angle and add it to this angle, you're going to obtain 180. Remember, I told you that the sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral equal to 180. But here we have 50 plus 41, which is angle RSP. So RSP plus RQP, which we are looking for, must be 180 degrees. But RSP will be what? 50 plus 41. That is RSP. 50 plus 41. This is a single angle. Plus this is unknown, RQP, equal to 180. This together will give us 91. But we can take it to the other side. We have RQP to be equal to 180 minus 91. And therefore, angle RQP that we're looking for is equal to 89 degrees. So we have just answered this. It implies that this particular angle right here is equal to 89 degrees. Now let us find this one. And this angle right here will be 80 because we already have 100 here. So the B part, we are looking for SPQ. We are looking for SPQ. This is an angle. But if you add it to the other angle, which is QRS plus the angle we are looking for, will give us 180. But already we have seen that this is 50 plus 50. Then plus the unknown angle. This is 180. You take this to the other side, leaving SPQ here, equal to 180 minus 100, which is 80. Therefore, SPQ is equal to 80 degrees. As simple as that. So we have just answered this question, which is question number 4. Now let us move on to question number 5.